All right, and we're live. Are we? Yes, we are. Everyone, welcome to our Red Day recap. As you guys see on my live this morning, I am down $76. So it's been a $76 Red Day. Surprise! And yeah, it was a pretty bad day. Because now my account level is down 2.8% real, percentage wise. I'm down 2.8% on the challenge so far. Today's downfall was for a variety of reasons that could have easily been avoided. All I had to, I had the playbook right in front of my hand. This morning, I was looking at the gappers, the stocks in the morning that I watch every day. The stocks that I watch pre-market before the market opens, I analyze them, and I realized we had nothing going on, no movement whatsoever, and I still decided to trade out of stocks that were just not good and not giving the opportunity. I knew them back in my head, but I wanted to make some money because I didn't trade Tuesday and I lost money Wednesday, and that was my mistake. I know I have to wait for the days that the opportunities are there. Then I know how to capitalize them. I'm a genius. I know how to do it. It's days like these that then I feel like, damn, like what am I doing? But it's really just the fact that if I'm trying to trade stocks that are just not giving any patterns, or just like a casino, just moving all over the place, of course I'm gonna lose money. I know this stuff. And then since I started losing, my whole goal was to make money to offset the loss and the fact that I didn't trade Tuesday. So I lost money, and then I kept losing money because I kept trying to make back the money that I lost. So that was the issue. So how do we avoid that? Number one, I already knew the game plan. I knew that today was not going to be a good day. As we see here, we had our main gappers, which was, I think, the one that really I folded on today was NEPT. Just like, why would I trade a stock that... Why would I trade a stock that just looks like this pre-market? We don't have any key, like, our pre-market high is at 6.5, and we're opening up at 4.8, which is almost $2 whole below. And on top of that, we're opening below the volume weight average price, which means that the sellers are in control of the price action. And we're below this moving average. And I guess in my mind I was thinking that we could get this volume weight average price as support and then climb our way up. But look at I'm looking at this now, and I'm thinking, I did my review, and I'm thinking, what was I thinking? The only reason I made this stuff up in my head was because I wanted to make some money, and that was my mistake. I just have to wait for the days that the market gives me what I want, opportunities that I have the volume. Look, there's no, like, what's going on here? Another stock that I traded was what, INCT? No, was it? No. INTC was the first stock I traded in the morning. Like, look at this. Wait. First of all, look at the price, right? It's $34 a share. Why am I trading a stock that's $34 a share? I was just very eager to try to make some money today, and I just threw everything out the window. Which is so, like, it's not like, why am I trading stock? First of all, it's $34 a share. My risk management allows my tolerance up to $10 a share. Why am I trading $34 a share stocks? The only reason I'm trading is because I've seen this huge green, and I'm thinking, holy shit, let me get involved in that just to get reversed right here. It doesn't. Second of all, the pre-market movement is just horrible. Look at this. It just doesn't look nice. Then I traded again another stock that was overpriced at $18 a share, roughly at the time that I was trading it. That's $8 above a share. $18. That's $8 above what my risk management allows. Traded on here. This is a 5-minute chart, but same applies. There's nothing to see here, and if there's nothing to see on the 5-minute chart, then the 1-minute chart is just chaos. Think of it that way. It's just chaos. Just absolute chaos. Like, what is going on? Just shoots right back up and then right back down. There's no pattern. There's no way of There's no wave of predictability. We don't have any resistance becoming support. We don't have indications of support through indicators, through volume, through key. We don't have key levels. We don't have pre-market levels. We don't have news. We don't have high relative volume. We don't have so many things that you just look back. This is just like, why are you trading this? The only reason you're trading stock is because it's just going up. But why is it going up? We don't know why it's going up. It doesn't have the volume for it to go up. Look at it's in the thousands. I don't ever trade stocks that are below like $250,000 per volume. It's just, this is on the 1 minute even. It's just, this just doesn't look good. So today's game plan. Why did today fail? Let's look at our shares order. Let's look at our orders real quick so everybody can get an idea. I'm down $76. These are my orders filtered. Let's filter them by time. So up here 9:36 all the way to 10:34. Number one, another mistake is I'm trading way too close to the open. We all know that right at the open there's an increased amount of volatility. In every stock, there's always an increased amount of volatility. Volatility means just too much movement. As we see here, just a crazy amount of volatility. Even on NEPT over here. You see just volume, if you compare it to the pre-market, you could see, and then there was just more volume, okay, so this is just the open. So we have a strong green candle, strong volume, and then we have another kind of reddish minus candle with more volume, and then we have an indecision candle with kind of the same volume, and then we have a good green candle that kind of tries to break through for these new highs, even more volume, and still couldn't break it. At that point I should have said, hey Kev, this is about to go down, and clearly it did. And I don't think this indecision candle would have even saved it, to be fair, because it's just, again, you would like to see some more candles around this area above this volume weighted average price to support it and start building for a move back up to here, but instead just flush right back down. First of all, today was a day that we had no real market movement. We had no alpha stocks. We had no low float stocks of quality. No low float stocks of quality the entire day. So there's no reason to be trading because you're just going to lose money. If there's no stocks of quality to trade, there's just opportunities to lose money. Number two, the reason I did go with trading today was because I wanted to make money to offset the loss, and the fact that I didn't trade Tuesday was my first mistake. So I put that whole thing to the side. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna make some money. I got this. So when the opportunity is there, the pattern is there, the quality is there, the setup is there, the risk management is implemented, and the execution is made, I am prepared mentally. I make it happen. However, if I wake up late, the quality isn't there, the risk management goes out the window, I start trading just because it's going up, of course I'm going to lose money. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So yeah, that's a short recap. I was doing everything good according to the risk management plan, and and another thing, my risk management plan tells me that once I'm down 1% of my real value of my account, I'm done. Today I'm at 2.8%. So there was a point where I was down $20. At that point I was at 1%, and I was too focused on these other things that I didn't realize, or maybe I did realize and I didn't even care enough. Hey, I'm down 1%. Time to finish it up for the day. Wrap it up. We're done. That's my rule to risk management, and these are rules that all traders have, and it was not implemented today because I was out of it today. And even if I'm out of it on any day, I still have to perform how I perform any other day. And today was definitely a learning experience, but a learning experience that doesn't matter if I don't learn from it. So that's a recap for today. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.